This is the bridge for I Lived. The way that you want to do this with your fingers is to have your first finger on the second finger on the third finger on the fourth, and fourth finger on the fifth frets. So they line up like this. Right? So for example, in the first measure, you're playing the second fret of the G string, so you would use your first finger. And then the second note is on the fifth fret, so you would use your fourth finger. See how I'm doing that? So the way that I'm playing this with my right hand, so that we can keep with our finger style thing, you know, that jam, is I'm using my, I'm just using these three fingers for this melody. So the index is staying on the G, the middle is staying on the B, and the ring is staying on the high E. So that first measure, well, here's what it looks like to play the first two measures. So that was 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2. And that pretty much covers the whole melody. If you want to do it another way, you could put your thumb on the G, your one on the B, and your middle finger on the high E, and that would work just as well. So thumb, 2, 2, 2,